Eat something.
Yeah, there you go.
Don't make me force feed a cripple.
I need a shower.
Jesus.
Hey, boss. Funky chicken here. He's blocking my blade.
Stop! Yeah, see, he moved.
Jake! Ah!
Scale up.
Brother.
I'm scared!
This woman.
Oh, shit.
Brother, please.
But not my brother! Very powerful!
I can talk to them. I am a Metakaya.
Stay down, sir! Setrak!
You out of your goddamn mind?
Jake! What the hell's going on? Parker, there is time to salvage Ranger Rick.
You start by listening.
You throw a stick in the air.
That's something real, something measured. What we think we know is that there has 10 to the 4th connections.
Which is a lot, I'm guessing.
They can access it. They can upload it. You just destroyed. Yes. Ground, it's all around us.
Say we understand them just. Doc, come take a look.
The blue we have that they want. They're never gonna leave home.
Since a deal, wet kiss.